Hello children, welcome to the maths class. Chapter 8 Decimals, coming to the revision part. In the place value chart, first place after decimal point is tenths place and its place value is 1/10. 1/10 means 1 by 10. 1 is at first place after decimal point. So we can read it as 0.1. Second place after decimal point, it is hundreds. 1 by 100 is its place value. 1 is at second place after decimal point. We can read it as 0.01. Third place after decimal point is thousands. Its place value is 1 by 1000. 1 thousandths. 1 is at third place after decimal point. So we can read it as 0.001. Question 1. The decimal number for 9/10 is what? 9/10. Tenths is first place after decimal point. So digit 9 is at first place after decimal point. So the decimal number is 0.9. Question 2. Write as decimals. A part. 70 plus 8/10. 70 means 7/10. 7 is at tens place. No ones are there. So 0. Point comes always after ones place. And 8/10. Tens is the first place after decimal point. So 8 is at tens place. At first place after decimal point. So the required decimal number is 70.8. B part. 3 plus 5 hundredths. 3 is at ones place. Point comes after ones place. Now first place after decimal point is tens. That means 1 by 10. But there is no tens. So write 0 at tens place. 5 hundredths. Hundredths is the second place after decimal point. So 5 is at second place after decimal point. So the required decimal number is 3.05. C. 8 plus 2/10 plus 3 thousandths. 8 is at ones place. Point comes after ones place. 2/10. Tenths is the first place after decimal point. So 2 is at first place after decimal point. Hundredths is the second place after decimal point. But there is no hundreds. So write here 0. 0 hundredths. 3 thousandths. Thousandths is the third place after decimal point. So the digit 3 is at third place after decimal point. So the required decimal number is 8.203. Question 3. Write as decimals. A part. 2 by 5. 2 fifths. But to write the number in decimal form, we want denominator 10 or 100 or thousands. So here we have to make the denominator 10 or 100 or 1000. So find the equivalent fraction of 2 by 5 with denominator 10. We can make 5 as 10. 5 2s are 10. So multiply numerator also by 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 2s are 10. 4 tenths. Tenths is the first place after decimal point. So 4 is at first place after decimal point. Before it we have to give point. So the required decimal number is 0.4. 2 by 5 is a proper fraction and all the proper fractions lie between 0 and 1. So here there is 0 in the whole part of the decimal number. B part. 4.5. This is the mixed fraction. Bring this fraction into improper. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. 9 by 2. Now we have to make the denominator 10. 2 5s are 10. So multiply numerator also by 5. 9 5s are 45 and 5 2s are 10. This is 45 tenths. That means there is only one digit after decimal point. So we have to insert the point before 5. 5 is at tens place. So we get the decimal number 4.5. Question 4. Write 3.8 as a fraction in lowest form. 3.8. It means 38 tenths. There is only one digit after decimal point. Now find out the lowest form. Divide both numerator and denominator by their HCF. HCF is 2 here. Divide 38 by 2. 19 2s are 38. And divide 10 by 2. 2 5s are 10. So the required simplest form is 19 by 5. Question 5. Write 1.25 as a fraction in simplest form. 1.25. There are 2 digits after decimal point. So the fraction is 125 hundredths. Now bring the fraction into simplest form. Divide both numerator and denominator by their HCF. Here HCF is 25. 25 5s are 125 and 25 4s are 100. So the required simplest form is 5 by 4. Question 6. Add 30.8 plus 0.28. To add the decimal numbers, we have to write the given decimal numbers properly in the place value chart. 30.8. 0 is at ones place, point below the point. 2 is at first place after decimal point. 8 is at second place after decimal point. Now we have to add. First we have to make the given decimal numbers like decimals. Like decimals have same number of digits after decimal point. These are not like decimals. We can insert here 0. We can insert zeros after the last digit in the decimal part. As many zeros are required. It doesn't change the value of the decimal number. Now add. 0 plus 8 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 carried here. Point below the point. And 1 plus 0 is 1. And this is 3. So the answer is 31.08. Question 7. Subtract 4.235 from 20. To carry out subtraction, we have to write the given numbers properly in place value chart. From 20, we have to subtract this decimal number. So 20 we have to write first. Decimal point comes after ones place. Here 4 is at ones place, point below the point. 2 is at first place after decimal point. 3 is at second place after decimal point. 5 is at third place after decimal point. We have to subtract. These are not like decimals, so make them like decimals. And now subtract. 0 is smaller than 5, so borrow 1 from here. 10 minus 5 is 5. Again 0 is smaller than 4, borrow 1 from here. 10 minus 4 is 6. Again 0 is smaller than 3, borrow 1 from here. 10 minus 3 is 7. Point below the point. And 20 minus 5 is 15. So answer is 15.765. Question 8. A part. 2 millimeters means how many centimeters? Centimeters to millimeters. One jump. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. But here we have to convert millimeters into centimeters. Smaller unit into greater unit. So we have to divide by 10. Divide 2 by 10. 2 tenths. It means 2 is at first place after decimal point. So it is 0.2 centimeter. B part. 85 millimeters means how many centimeters? Millimeters to centimeters. Smaller unit into greater unit. So divide 85 by 10. Denominator is 10. That means in decimal form there is only one digit after decimal point. So insert decimal point before one digit, before 5. So it is 8.5 centimeter. Question 9. Add 2 meter 5 centimeters and 3 meter 25 centimeters. 2 meter 5 centimeters, here convert 5 centimeters into meters. Meters, decimeters, centimeter. 2 jumps are there. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. But here we have to convert centimeters into meters. Smaller unit into greater unit. So divide by 100. Divide 5 by 100. 5 hundredths. There are 2 digits after decimal point. So for this number 5 hundredths, the decimal form is 0.05. Now units are same. Add them. 2 meter means 2.00 meter and this is 0.05 meter. Add them. We get here 2.05 meter. In the same way here, convert 25 centimeters into meters. Centimeters to meters, smaller unit to greater unit. So divide by 100, 25 hundreds. There are 2 digits after decimal point. So for this fraction, the decimal form is 0.25. Now both are in meters. Add them. 3 meter means 3.00 meter and 0.25 meters. Addition we get 3.25 meters. Now we can add this decimal forms. Both the units are same, meter, meter. Answer will come in meters. Add them. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 carried. 1 plus 2 is 3. Decimal point below the decimal point, and 2 plus 3 is 5. So answer is 5.30 meter. Question 10. Subtract 1 meter 8 centimeter from 3 meters. First convert both the quantities into decimal form. 1 meter 8 centimeter. Convert 8 centimeters into meters. We know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, but we have to convert smaller unit centimeter into meter. So divide by 100. 8 hundredths. There are 2 digits after decimal point. So the decimal form for this fraction is 0.08. Now units are same. Add them. 1 meter means 1.00 meter and this is 0.08 meter. Addition we get 1.08 meter. Now we have to subtract this quantity from 3 meter. 3 point comes after ones place. This is in meters. Subtract 1 point below the point. 0 is at first place after decimal point and 8 is at second place after decimal point. It is also in meters. Make them like decimals. Insert here 0, 0. Now subtract. 0 is smaller than 8. Borrow 1 from here. 10 minus 8 is 2. Again 0 is smaller than 1. Borrow 1 from here. 10 minus 1 is 9. Point below the point. And 3 minus 2 is 1. Answer is in meters. So the answer is 1.92 meter. Question 11. A part. 7 meter means how many kilometers? Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter. Kilometer to meter. 3 jumps are there. 10 into 10 into 10. So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. But here we have to convert smaller unit into greater unit. Meters to kilometers. So divide by 1000. 7 thousandths. 1000 is in the denominator. So there are 3 places after decimal point in its decimal form. 7. Count from right. 1, 2, 3 and give decimal point here. 0 in whole part. It is in kilometers. So 7 meters means 0.007 kilometers. B part. 35 grams means how many kilograms? Kilograms, hectograms, decagrams and grams. Kilogram to grams. 3 jumps are there. So 1 kilogram equal to 10 into 10 into 10. 1000 grams. Here also we have to convert smaller unit into greater unit. Grams into kilograms. So divide by 1000. 35 by 1000. 35 thousandths. 1000 is there in the denominator. So there are 3 places after decimal point in its decimal form. Write 35 and count from the right. 1, 2, 3, then insert point and 0 in whole part. Unit is kg. 35 grams means 0.035 kg. C part. 345 milliliters means how many liters? Liters, deciliters, centiliters, milliliters. Liters to milliliters. 3 jumps are there. So 1 liter equal to 10 into 10 into 10. 1000 milliliters. Here we have to convert milliliters into liters. Smaller unit into greater unit. So divide by 1000. 345 divided by 1000. 1000 is there in the denominator. So there are 3 places after decimal point in its decimal form. Right? 345. Count from right. 1, 2, 3 and give point here. 0 in whole part. It is in liters. So 345 milliliters equal to 0.345 liters. Question 12. Add 3 kg, 2 kg 8 grams, 125 grams, 1 kg 50 grams. First convert all these quantities into its decimal forms. 3 kg. 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. That means there are 3 places after decimal point in the decimal part. So 3 kg we can write as 3.000 kg. Now 2 kg, 2 in whole part, point. 8 grams. 8 grams converted into kg. Divide by 1000. 8 thousands. That means there are 3 places after decimal point. Write 8 and count from right. 1, 2, 3, give point. So it is 0.008 kilograms. 125 grams divided by 1000. 125 thousands. Write 125 and from right count 1, 2, 3. Insert point here. So it is no kilograms are there. So 0 in whole part and 1, 2, 5 in decimal part. 1 kg in whole part 1 and 50 grams converted into kilograms. 50 thousands. Divide it by 1000. Write 50 and count from right. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 places after decimal point. So here insert point. So it is 050. So 1 kg 50 grams means 1.050 kg. Now add. Units are same, kg. So answer also is in kg. 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 carried. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0, 1. Point below the point. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. So the answer is 6.183 kg. Question 13. Subtract 2 km 65 meters from 3 km. Convert both the quantities first in decimal form. 2 kilometers in whole part 2. Convert 65 meters into kilometers. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. But here we have to convert smaller unit meter into kilometer. So divide 65 by 1000. Right, 65,000 is in the denominator. So there are 3 digits after decimal point. 1, 2, 3. And insert the point here. So here it is 0.065. 3 kilometers. In decimal part we want 3 digits. Now we have to subtract 2.065 kilometers from 3 kilometers. So write first 3 kilometers and subtract 2.065 kilometers. Units are same. Answer will get in the same unit. Now subtract. 0 is smaller than 5. So borrow 1 from here. 10 minus 5 is 5. Again 0 is smaller than 7. So borrow from 1 here. 10 minus 7 is 3. Again 0 is smaller than 1. Borrow from here 1 and 10 minus 1 is 9. Point below the point. 3 minus 3 is 0. So answer is 0.935 kilometers.